Hi everyone, welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial 14, Simulation and Analysis of Road Embankment Construction using PLAXIS 2D. So in this lecture, we will try to simulate and analyze the road embankment construction in PLAXIS 2D. So as we know, the embankment is constructed layer by layer. For example, it depends on the design specification. Maybe each layer 40 centimeters or 25 centimeters, and it depends on the design requirement. So we will have this soil stratigraphy and this road embankment, and we will simulate and analyze in PLAXIS 2D. We have a clay soil as a natural ground, and before construction of road embankment, we will have a sand, one layer sand mat, which is 0.5 meter in thickness. Also after that, we will have the construction of this embankment, and the slope of embankment is 2 horizontal, 1 vertical, so the height of the embankment is 5 meter. And the traffic load or surcharge load on the embankment due to traffic load, we assume it is 7.5 kilonewton per square meter. So in this lecture, we will learn how to simulate road embankment construction stages similar to the field condition. Also, we will import the soil stratigraphy and embankment geometry from AutoCAD DXF file to the PLAXIS 2D. And we will define the materials for a clay soil, a sand mat, and also embankment, which is a fill. The material will be granular material for the embankment. Also, we will check the mesh quality before starting the analysis, and we will check the deformation of the embankment due to its self-weight, and also deformation in the embankment due to a traffic load. Also, we will evaluate factor of safety and also identification of the potential failure surface in the slope. So first of all, let's open PLAXIS software, and we start create new project, and I type in here, and after that I will click OK. I don't need to change any contours in here because I will import the geometry from AutoCAD. So I click OK, and this is the geometry of the soil and the embankment, as I mentioned before. When we want to import the geometry from AutoCAD to PLAXIS 2D, we need to draw everything using a polyline. So for example, I have drawn this soil layer using the soil polygon, and it should be closed, and also the sand layer, and also each layer of the embankment should be drawn by using a polygon. Actually, the height of these layers is 1 meter, so maybe this is not true in the field because 1 meter is a large thickness. Maybe in reality in the field they compact each layer maybe each 25 centimeters or 30-40 centimeters. So to decrease the tutorial time, that's why we set as 1 meter. And if you want, you can, for example, these are 5 layers, you can increase it to 10 layers or 20 layers, and like that. So first of all, we need to check the units in AutoCAD, and the units should be in meters, similar to the PLAXIS. And after that, we need to export as a DXF file. I will save it as AutoCAD DXF file in here, and we click save. Okay, and after that, when we open the PLAXIS, in here we click on import soil and click on import soil. So the DXF file is in here, tutorial 14, and open, and it says us import closed polycurves as a polyline, so it will make us easy when we assign the material to each polygon. So I click OK, and as you can see, all polygons are imported like this one. And the next thing, we need to define the materials traffic load, and if I click on it, we can see the deformation is about 0.1298 meter, but this is accumulated deformation, not deformation due to surcharge load. So if I want to see only the deformation due to this traffic load, 7.5 kilonewton per square meter, we click on deformation, and in here we have a phase displacement. I click on phase displacement. We can see the deformation is about 7.5 millimeters, which is acceptable in road embankment. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.